Femtech. You might not have heard of it, but for millions of women, it has been a game changer. New apps help keep track of menstrual cycles, ovulation, pregnancy status, and other deeply personal health details in ways a traditional calendar simply cannot.
My choice!
But after the Dobbs decision, many are now worried that health data from these apps could soon be used against them.
Women, if you haven't deleted your period tracking apps, what are you doing?
This concern has prompted companies to develop new features like anonymous mode and to promise never to sell user data to third parties. This comes despite some companies having a past history of doing so.
Use an app like Euki app, which has better privacy.
Euki, an app created by two nonprofit groups, goes several steps further to protect its users' data.
There is no back end to the app, so there's no data collected in the cloud. All of the information users put into the app remains only on their device.
Euki users can also enter a secret code to immediately delete or hide sensitive information.
We know, even before the Dobbs decision, that people were criminalized for their pregnancy outcomes. And in at least a couple of those recent cases, information from their devices was used as part of those prosecutions.
Downloads on the Apple App Store for Euki are up 2,700% since the Supreme Court's decision was leaked in May. Now that the ruling is official, many experts say that digital privacy concerns reach far beyond period trackers.
People wear smartwatches and other fitness trackers, which can tell when somebody is changing their exercise or physical exertion patterns. We have location data on our phone through different apps. We create medical appointments and talk to doctors through our phones. All of that data is out there.
President Joe Biden says this data may actually be dangerous for women seeking an abortion.
There's an increasing concern that extremist governors and others will try to get that data off of your phone, which is out there in the ether, to find what you're seeking, where you're going, and what you're doing with regard to your health care.
The administration has also issued guidance to consumers on digital security, but so far has not expanded privacy protections to apply to health data collected by apps.
The data ecosystem is so complicated and so complex that asking a normal individual to fully understand not only what data they are directly putting into an app or a third party, but all of the indirect information that's flowing into it and what it says about them is nearly impossible.
Concerns over digital privacy will likely continue as legal battles rage on in a post-Roe America. For GZERO World, I'm Sarah Kneezle.